What's up guys, how's it going? Today I am going to do a review of Profit Accumulator, a match betting service with a 5-star Trustpilot rating. Now before we get down to the review itself, I just want to quickly explain to you why you need to sign up to a match betting service if you are serious about making some good money online. Now what a match betting service does is they search through the promotion pages on all of the major bookies. They read the terms and conditions in order to establish whether or not an offer is worth doing from a match betting perspective. If the offer is worth doing, they will post the offer on their website with clear instructions, meaning all you have to do is follow the instructions, place your bets and then get your profit. This saves you so much time. It means that you don't have to trawl the bookie websites, go through all their terms and conditions just to find out that the offer isn't worth doing. It means that you have more time to just place your bets and bring in that profit. Okay, so the first thing that I want to talk about is Profit Accumulator's dedicated training centre, which offers expert match betting training right from down at the basics up to the advanced. Now they provide both written and video training, so it doesn't matter which you prefer, you are catered for here. And it's just great because this training is coming from the people that actually develop the tools and the software, so you are literally hearing it from the horse's mouth. I find that the training is well laid out, easy to follow, to the point and very informative. It's very handy because it's just like a one-stop shop for all your training needs. So if you're halfway through a bet or you need to find out how to use a particular piece of software or any tools, head over to the training centre, watch the video, read the instructions, head back, place your bets. Now I want to talk about offers. Now the offers are split into different sections on the website, with the main two being sportsbook sign-up offers and reload offers for new customers. Naturally you want to start off with the sportsbook sign-up offers, which are laid out in a very clear and consistent way which makes it easy to navigate. They're also listed in a way that introduces you to match betting gradually, starting with more basic offers and moving down to the more advanced stuff. Each offer comes with very clear and comprehensive written instructions that you literally just need to follow to the word, and some of them also include video guides, so they literally walk you through and show you step by step what you need to place. Now if you do get stuck, there's a few ways that you can get some help. You can visit the dedicated training centre to see how to use some certain tools, for example. You can visit the forum. Now each individual offer has its own link to its specific page on the forum, and here you can tag some staff members who will be more than happy to give you a helping hand. You can give the company a call and they'll be more than happy to give you a hand over the phone. Or you can visit my Facebook page where I give personal one-to-one help to all new match bettors. Now once you are done with an offer, you can simply click complete, and it removes it from this list and adds it to another list so that it keeps things neat and tidy and you can see what offers you have outstanding. Once you're done with the sign-up offers, you can then move on to the reload offers, which are given out by bookmakers to try and keep you betting with them once you have signed up. Now these offers are pretty much listed in exactly the same way, same clear and consistent manner, along with the written instructions that are very easy to follow to the book, pretty much step by step. But there are less videos in the reload section because by now you should be kind of familiar with match betting and how it works. If you are still struggling, then you should be seeking help through the channels just mentioned. Next up are the specialist calculators that are specifically designed for match betting and the vast array of offers that are available to us. These are vital because it makes things so much easier. It means that you don't have to do any maths. You literally just put your figures into the calculator and you're good to go. Now at the time of making this video there are 19 calculators available to Profit Accumulator members, which I think is an amazing effort on their behalf. They are very easy to use and each of them has a direct link to the training centre where you can watch a video on how to use it. Now there are quite a few different tools available to Profit Accumulator members. For example, you have the basic odds matcher, which is great for finding the best bets when you need to place just a simple back and lay bet. It comes with a filter option which allows you to tailor your search results down to fit the specific requirements of the offer that you're doing. It also allows you to place your lay bets directly from the odds matcher, thanks to the integration works that Profit Accumulator have with many of the biggest bookie betting exchanges. If you don't want to use this integration service, you also have a direct link on the odds matching software to the calculator, so you can just find your bets, grab the calculator, the figures are automatically inputted, and you just hit calculate, copy the figures, place them in your betting exchange. Simple as that. Now, if you want to see me using the odds matcher, you should go and watch my video called What is Match Betting? Match Betting Explained. There are also tools like the Match Catcher, which finds the best bets on specific horse races. You have the Acca Catcher, which finds the best accumulator bets to place, and also the Extra Place Catcher, which finds the best bets to place on extra place races. Now, at the time of making this video, the Extra Place Catcher is a relatively new tool and is currently suffering from a few teething problems. Now, this is the best part about Profit Accumulator. They listen to their customers. They are always striving to improve their service. So this has been mentioned to them, and I have no doubts that this will be kind of addressed very rapidly to kind of iron out these initial problems. The forum is hands down the highlight feature of Profit Accumulator. Now, even though it is just a forum, it is the people that make it great. There's a dedicated team of staff members who spend a lot of time on the forum, and if you could just tag them in your posts and ask them a question, they'll get back to you very quickly. And in the rare occasion that they don't get back to you quickly, there are thousands of experienced match bettors on the forum who will get back to you and lend you a hand. It is a really supportive community. It's a great place to go and get some help. Another great feature of the forum is the ability to get an alert every time something is posted in a specific thread. Members are always finding different bonuses and offers that sometimes email to them, or they've just stumbled across them on the bookie websites. And you can get an alert every time they post one of these. The Profit Accumulator team have also teamed up with the Catapush app, which means that you can get your alerts also pinged to you on your phone. So if you're just sitting there watching TV, for example, and an offer gets posted in a thread, it'll ping up on your phone, you can pause the TV, go place your bets, come back, watch TV again. It's a great feature and it's made me so much money over the time. Couldn't put a figure on it, but it's made me thousands of extra pounds, and it saves a lot of time going out and searching for stuff myself as well. Just don't forget to also contribute if you find stuff. So if you get a bonus emailed to you and you think it's worth doing, just post it. People will soon tell you if it's not worth doing. If you want some links to the threads that I recommend to follow and get alerts for, you can find a document in the Files tab within my Facebook page. This is where Profit Accumulator really shines. It just works. The offers are always posted in a clear and consistent way with easy to understand instructions. And the team members are always very helpful and responsive when you need some help. They're also very innovative and adapt to when there's different changes going on in the betting sector, and they even reach out to external companies and get the best offers for their members. So at the time of making this video, some of the big exchanges actually have 0% commission for Profit Accumulator members, which means more profits in your pocket. Profit Accumulator set the bar high a long time ago and continue to push us up, up and up. One negative of Profit Accumulator is that sometimes a piece of software like the odds matcher, it will go down, or the odds won't be keeping up with the bookie or with the betting exchange. But as always, Profit Accumulator are very active in sorting out these issues. So if you just tag one of the staff members, they'll get someone to look into this straight away. And this is normally just one aspect of the website that has an issue. There is another match betting service that I know of. I'm not going to name them here, but their whole website went down during one of the busiest periods of the match betting calendar, which really isn't ideal. I've never experienced anything like this with Profit Accumulator, apart from when it goes down for maintenance, for example. But even then you get ample notice, and it normally happens during the small hours of the morning, meaning there's minimal disruption to this service that you're paying for. On the whole, Profit Accumulator is an amazing service, and you shouldn't even be considering match betting without signing up. They do all the hard work, meaning all you need to do is log on and place your bets. It does cost $17.99 per month, but through the use of their tools and all the offers that they post, you'll make a heck of a lot more money than if you went solo. And you also get a loyalty discount after 1 year of membership. So if you do want to sign up to Profit Accumulator, hit the link in the description below and you can get a free trial where you can make up to £40 to £45 when you follow the instructions. Now that is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.